Now, the easiest way that I use, and we can use the daily bias and look for a daily bias, is by using the higher time frame. Now, my way of looking for a daily bias is totally the same exact way I look for a trade. We use the same four-step process. Now, how do we do that? We do it by simply looking for the liquidity. Four-step process is one, identify the LQ, two, the inducement slash LQ sweep. We have three, the BOS, four, mitigation. So we look for the same exact thing. We had some liquidity from the left from a invalidation zone that got taken out. We get our two, we get our three, then we get our mitigation, and then we look for liquidity on the opposite side. We got some liquidity here, here, here at these lows, and we target it. So that's how we do it. We use the high time frame for a bias, and then we drop down to the smaller time frame where we trade, and we look for these same exact trades, or for it to play on the smaller time frame. So when I look for here, what do? We do the same exact thing. We drop down to the smaller time frame. We have a bias. We took out this liquidity. We look for the same exact thing. So when I drop down to the smaller time frame, we have this here given here. We have possibly even an M1 mitigation. And then we mitigate and we target the liquidity to the upside, just like this. Boom. And that'll be your trade. And we're following the higher time frame. The higher time frame shows buys. Gave you we see that we are ready for buys. We took out some more liquidity. We have even equal lows here, as well as equal highs here. And with the four-step process, we did what? Liquidity identified. We had the taken out of the liquidity. We had the breaker structure. We had the mitigation, and we target liquidity to the upside. So this is how we use the higher time frame as well as the lower time frame for our entries.